It's boyfriend.
And girlfriend.
And we are here today to try a bunch of snacks. Backstory, my dad's company gave him $40 to spend on this really fancy snack buying website. My dad basically let us pick out all of the snacks. So we did that, they shipped it to us in a nice box, and now we're here and we're gonna try all of them. How do you wanna start?
Let's just pick ones that you can cook in.
Sure. So we'll start with this one, Duke's original recipe, smoked Shorty sausages. It's basically a fancy Slim Jim. This is what it looks like. Wanna try?
It's pretty good.
Yeah. Have you had a Slim Jim before?
I think so, but the texture of this one seems a little bit different.
A little bit more meaty.
It's a good snack if you're actually hungry.
Yeah,
It feels
exactly.
pretty substantial.
So-
Wait, don't put it back in. You have to. That's disgusting.
We literally have 40 snacks we need to eat. Take one bite and move on.
Okay.
So we're gonna alternate. Shirley's gonna pick one now.
Okay. Maybe we can do. This looks pretty good. Wavy chips with Serrano ham flavor. Capri Chips. It says they're Mediterranean, but I don't know what that means.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Wow.
I definitely taste the ham.
Yeah, it tastes like ham. A little bit stronger than you would think.
I don't know if I like these. I'll have to
Just
try
a
again
reminder.
for sure.
There are like 20 different snacks here that we have to go through.
It's nice and crunchy though.
It's very crunchy. The texture is awesome.
How would you rate it?
7 out of 10.
I would give it a 5.5 out of 10.
1 potato, 2 potato. Simply sea salt sweet potato chips. Wow, it smells very strongly of sweet potato.
I think this one's gonna be good.
A very thin chip.
Looks healthy.
Yeah, it probably is. All right,
right.
cheers.
Cheers.
Sweeter than I thought it was gonna be.
I like this one.
Yeah, it's good.
I feel like sometimes sweet potato chips are kind of like too thick, and then they're like hard, or they feel sharp in your mouth. These are really thin, which I like. And the salt is really subtle.
What would you give it out of 10?
I think I would give this one a 7.
Yeah, I would also give this one a 7 out of 10. And I would downgrade my previous chip rating to a 6 out of 10.
I knew you started too high. Let's do this one. This
Right.
one I've wanted to try for a long time. I've been looking at these like
Yeah.
all week.
Yeah, looks good.
They're Rhythm Organic Cauliflower Bites, Buffalo Ranch flavor. Are these supposed to be healthy?
The fact that they're cauliflower, I think, means that it's supposed to be somewhat healthy.
Well, they're gluten-free and vegan and have fiber
Yeah, let's try.
and organic. It's a tiny, oh, I wish I could show. It's a tiny fried cauliflower. It's so cute.
It is.
All right,
All right, cheers.
cheers.
It's very crispy. Crispier than I would have expected.
Here, try another one.
Okay,
I'll give you one with a lot of spice.
I feel like, yeah.
The one I have is really good.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you really get that like ranch, like the
Yeah.
spiciness from the buffalo, but that like tangy ranch flavor.
Wow, I could eat a lot of these.
And the flavor is like really well balanced. It doesn't taste like cauliflower at all.
You get a little bit of the cauliflower flavor, not too much.
No.
9 out of 10. Nora, seaweed snack. This is Tempura Spicy flavor.
Got an award.
I got an award from Bon Appetit magazine, 2019. Whatever that means. Let's try this Nora seaweed snack. Whoa.
Ooh,
This
that's not
This
what
isn't what I was expecting at all.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna be like those tiny cylindrical things. They're actually
Yeah.
more like potato chips that have
loo-
like a layer of seaweed
It
on
looks
it.
like they literally took a seaweed and
Battered it and
Yeah,
then deep fried it.
fried it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try.
Wow, this is quite good actually.
The seaweed flavor is really strong. I like it.
There's like a fishiness to it, but not too strong.
From the seaweed?
And a little bit of sweetness I detected.
Yeah, it's a little bit sweet. I'm not getting that it's spicy though.
I get a little bit of like mouth tingle, but not like a ton. What? Mouth tingle is a culinary term. I'm gonna give this one an 8 out of 10.
Okay. I'll say 8.5 out of 10.
Okay.
Let's try the gummies.
All right.
Okay. Oh, looks like they're sour gummies. Smart Sweets gummy bears. 3 grams of sugar per bag.
I don't know if you can see this, probably not, but it's like Sour Patch Kids. They're dusted with sugar. All right. They have the texture of gummy bears. It's like chewy. It's not as soft as a Sour Patch Kid. A little bit more chewy, definitely more spring. But kind of with the flavor of a Sour Patch Kid.
Yeah. Sometimes you get like cheap gummies that are really hard.
Yeah, these aren't
soft.
too hard. I'd give this one 7.5 out of 10.
Wait, I want to see if the red one is a different flavor from the yellow one. Yeah, I think they're the same.
Okay.
Let me confirm.
So this is gluten-free, grain-free, bee-free, B as in B-E-E, warrior mix. It just looks like a granola mix.
This looks terrible. Oh, it's paleo. Almonds, honey, almond meal, coconut, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. This doesn't look good at all.
Grab a small piece.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat a tiny piece.
All right, cheers.
It's actually tasty. Wow, this really exceeded my expectations. My very low expectations. But it's actually really good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, it tastes chocolatey, the cocoa powder.
This is like a work snack. If work had this snack, I would eat it a lot. 6 out of 10, which is pretty good for a health food.
What's the worst one we rated? I gave the ham a 5.
You gave the ham a 6 out of 10.
I gave it a 6?
Yeah, and then I lowered my rating. No, you gave it a 5.5 out of 10.
I'm gonna lower that to a 5. I would put this at the same, maybe as the sweet potato.
Really?
I think so.
Wow, you liked it that much, huh?
The
I like the
chocolate
sweet
is
potato
winning me
more.
over. All right, now we're getting to the really yummy and unhealthy snacks. Let's go for these.
Ah, yeah. It's a Reese's cup, but it's not made by Reese's, obviously.
Yeah, it's by Unreal.
No soy, non-GMO, fair
Yeah.
trade. Only 5 grams of sugar per cup.
Yeah, that's not bad at all.
It doesn't seem
And
too
it's
bad.
dark chocolate with peanut butter. They're so cute.
All right, so we're gonna split it. Oops,
Ooh.
there you go.
Interesting.
So the inside is interesting. Unlike a Reese's, it's not like a peanut butter paste. It's almost more like a peanut butter powder.
Well, it's not powdery. It just looks like more chalky.
All right, let's try. It's so good. It's so smooth.
It didn't look like peanut butter to me, so I thought maybe they did some kind of substitute, but the taste of peanut butter comes through really well.
Oh my god.
No, it's yummy.
This is unreal.
I feel like that one, yeah, I was gonna say, I feel like that
9.5
one
out of
has won
10.
your heart.
9.5 out of 10. My highest rating yet.
I would give it a 9.
Let's keep going with the Unreal. We're gonna try their version of peanut M&Ms. So this one is kind of oddly shaped.
This is cute.
Yeah.
Little pink one,
All right.
unbranded.
That's right.
Okay.
It's pretty nice.
Yeah.
I don't really take this is supposed to be dark chocolate as well, but I don't really taste the dark chocolate as much.
Well, it's just not that sweet, which is really nice.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think if you did a blind taste test between this and a peanut M&M, you'd be able to tell the difference?
I think texture-wise, this is better than a peanut M&M. That said, it's not like spectacular, you know.
It's like a solid chocolate-covered peanut.
Yeah, 7 out of 10.
I'm lost. I'll just do thumbs up, thumbs down. I can't remember what I've been grading.
All right. A thumbs up from Shirley.
This is a thumbs up. A pretty solid thumbs up. What's
All right.
next?
I don't know if it's sugar, but I'm getting pumped.
I know. I feel like we've been doing a lot of chocolate.
Well, it's a good thing that only 4 out of the 5 things remaining are chocolate.
Well, we have these two, so.
Oh yeah, I forgot about this one.
Yeah, let's do this one.
All right.
They're crispy coconut rolls. It looks like it has coconut milk and there's like roasted black sesame seeds.
All right.
Cheers.
Ding. That's a thumbs up from Shirley.
2 thumbs up.
It's really nice.
I like these a
The
lot.
coconut flavor is excellent. It's just really creamy. It has like a savoriness to it.
I think the savoriness comes from like either the roasted black sesame seeds or it's just generally like xiang. I just like how light it is.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
it really feels like a wafer.
I've been wanting to open these for a while now. It's Dewey's Bakery Meyer Lemon Moravian Cookie Thins, and they look so delicious. If I had to guess, I would say it's probably like a cookie shortbread. I freaking love lemon shortbreads. Very, very underrated dessert, in my opinion.
Thank you. Oh, it doesn't feel like a shortbread.
Oh.
Wow, I smelled the lemon immediately.
Right. Try. Wow. And it tastes a lot like lemon shortbread.
I feel like this would be really good like on a cake.
I would eat this with like an Earl Grey tea. Wow. I'm already on my 3rd one.
I do like how thin it is. Because sometimes shortbread can feel really dense because of how thick it is. It doesn't feel like you can eat that many. But these, like, you can inhale.
Yeah. Let's put these away. 9 out of 10 for me.
This is a big thumbs up for me.
Shirley's gonna change her rating system every dessert. Next time she's gonna give stars.
Let's do these.
Yeah.
These look really fancy.
They look like potato chips made out of chocolate.
Yeah, I can't tell if there's a chip in here or if it's like a potato chip shaped chocolate. It's divine chocolate, rich dark chocolate, crispy thins, delicious on their own or pair with coffee or wine. Yeah, these look good. And it's like fair trade and farmer owned. The only chocolate company in the world that is fair trade and farmer owned. Ooh. Ooh.
It tells you which way is up.
Ooh. Okay.
Let's try.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my god. I love chocolate.
This one's really
It's
good
very
dark chocolate.
dark chocolate.
You kind of get like floral hints.
Hints of cherry.
Yeah, do you
Hints
taste?
of oak.
I taste the hints of oak. No wonder they suggested pairing it with wine.
I
This
would
is like
give
a
it
10 for me.
All right, we're gonna do our last snack, brownie burritos. It all began when Sheil was a passionate, chocolate-loving baker. Cool.
I think this is a cookie. It's more like a cookie than a brownie.
It's very sweet. Probably, I think the sweetest of anything that we've had.
I think it's like a tad too sweet for me, but maybe I'm just sick of starting to get sick of all the snacks.
6.5 out of 10.
I give it a slightly positive thumb. What would you say is your favorite?
I will say I am very partial to peanut butter cups, so this one probably had the most wow factor for me.
I think this one also stood out to me.
The really fancy chocolate
yeah,
chips.
the dark chocolate, just because the chocolate was so good. But I think this is definitely like treat yourself once in a while. Like I wouldn't snack on these. Like, you can't really chow down on them. I definitely like the tempura, the seaweed, and I like the cauliflower bite.
I really like these lemon shortbread cookies as well. They're so
those are
good.
good.
Lemon shortbread, very underrated.
I liked everything.
Yeah, everything was good. There is one thing that we saved for perhaps a future video. It's this dark and salty chocolate piece, and it's special because it's cannabinoid chocolate. There's 25 milligrams of CBD in here. So we're not gonna eat this right now. We're debating whether or not to secretly give this to my parents and see how they react. But we'll come up with something fun to do with this and save it for another video.
If you enjoyed our video, please like or hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.